I'm Ruelha from Bots and Drones, and today I have with me Mr. Arpinut from Aerolyt. He is the CEO and founder, so we can ask him a whole lot of questions because he'll be the best person to give us all the information about these wonderful pieces of technology that we can see out here. Welcome, Mr. Arpinut.
Yeah, hi.
Could you take us through this product that you have on display out here, please?
Yes. Basically, we are a drone manufacturer for drone light shows. So, this is the drone that we manufacture.
This is a scale, right? So this
Yes.
is 400 scale?
Sorry?
1:400?
No, this is the real product.
This is the real one. Oh, so it's quite, I didn't remember.
That's why I kept it as a drone.
Oh, okay. Wow. It's the smallest drone I've seen.
Yeah, to be frank, we are the smallest in the world.
You're not the smallest
Not
one?
the smallest, but nearby somewhere. 238 is the first. And 248 is the second.
Wow, that's wonderful because a lot of the other places I've seen scale models. I didn't realize this was the actual one. You can see it's quite a compact sized drone and very portable and easy to carry along, I guess.
Yeah, that's the specialty of our product. The major problem for drone show is the size of the product is very bigger. So when you scale it to 1000 or 2000, you need to have a lot of people, you need to have a lot of logistics. So we are trying to reduce that. So it fits very smaller, it fits into a easy, it's very portable, and transportation charges, manpower charges, everything becomes less when it's very less. And also that since it's a nano, the restrictions are very limited across the world, wherein in US and everywhere below 250 gram is easily for everyone to get certification and do the shows easily. Whereas if you take micro category, it is very tedious to work with for drone light shows.
Okay, what would categorize a drone in the micro category and the nano? What is the difference between these?
So each country has its own regulations. Right now in India, nano category is very easy. We don't need any type certificate to run your show. So it's almost like to get type certificate, you need 1 or 1.5 years. So we skipped it directly and we are here right now.
Is this technology patented?
Not yet.
Are you going to be applying for it?
No, I don't think so. This is not a big thing to get patent. So I don't think so. Yeah.
And all the components are made by your company itself?
Yes, exactly.
Each and
It's 100% design and manufacturing in India.
Everything?
Yes.
Wow, so this is a complete make in India product.
Except the motors and the propellers.
Okay. And the propellers are imported?
Yes, propellers and the motors are imported.
Where do they come from?
See, it's from Europe. But from China. Origin is from China.
So, could you tell us what is the height at the altitude at which these drones can go up to?
In practical, we have tested up to 600 feet, but we have not tested beyond that. But in general, we can go up to 400 feet, like that's what the rule says. So.
And what is required for a drone show? What is the acceptable or appropriate height, altitude at which you want to fly?
There is nothing required for a height, and see, it's mainly based on the animation, based on the design, the height gets decided, and also the location. So when the number of drones gets higher, you'll get a bigger height. Otherwise, it's very, if you keep the show in near to the ground, the people would enjoy.
Good. So far, how many of these have you sold?
See, we have started our operations in this January alone. So we have got one order and we are yet to supply it.
So you all are manufacturing the product and providing the service as well?
Right now we are, to cater, this drone show is very niche in the market. So to get more visibility, we are doing shows right now. over the long period, we won't be hosting shows. We want our partners to do the shows, and we will be supplying drones, and we'll support the technology to them rather than being hosting shows.
So you all are looking for partners who could take on that part of the
Yes,
task,
yes,
probably.
yes, exactly.
Have you signed any MOUs or
Not
anything?
yet.
But you all are
Yeah,
looking
that's
for
what.
strategic
Yeah,
partnerships.
yes. See, one partner in Chennai has signed with us,
Okay.
so we are looking for other partners across India.
That's wonderful. Could we know which partner that is, or would you like to keep it under
No,
wraps?
see, they call it as Vertex.
Okay.
It's a small company. They have just now started.
That's wonderful. So, if I'm talking about huge fireworks, like they have the 4th of July in the US, or something like that, of that magnitude, how many drones would probably be required to carry on the whole thing as a light show instead of fireworks? What do you think is an approximation?
So see, you cannot replace fireworks with drone show. That's what I believe. So it's like more of a integrated one. So you can integrate fireworks and drone show. You cannot eliminate fireworks if you talk about.
Completely.
But in general, people would say drone show is to replace fireworks. That is not going to happen at any point of time. So the thing is that has a different experience, and this has a different experience.
Right.
So.
But if we were to simulate something similar to that, not exactly replace fireworks per se, but to have a drone
Probably-
show of that magnitude,
Probably 800 to 1000 drones would be enough to have
that's
good-
a lot.
Yes,
That's a
of
lot.
course.
Do you think your manufacturing unit can scale up to that capacity?
Yeah. Sure.
Or do you already have the
No, currently we have
infrastructure?
200 drones with us, and we have the capability. See, that's not a big deal to scale it up, since it's very small, and the design is very minimalistic, and the assembling and everything is some. In a day we do about 20 to 30 drones.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
Each person can do 20 to 30 drones.
Wow, so I think this is definitely the smallest drone that I have personally seen, at least, and it looks very cute. It's highly portable, and they have an amazing manufacturing facility that can really scale up depending on what your requirement is. So it's wonderful learning about your product. Thank you so much for talking to us.